Do you know many people are having trouble with dual overload message on their Hamilton Beach FlexBrew 49976 coffee maker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check for blockages. Begin by checking for any blockages. Examine the piercing needle in the lid, remove the gray holder, and thoroughly clean it. Step 2. Clean coffee maker. Next, conduct a thorough cleaning of your coffee maker to address any mineral deposits that might be causing the issue. Step 3. Use adequate water. Ensure you're using 6 ounces or more of water for your brews. Step 4. Adjust proportions. Adjust your water and coffee proportions to prevent taste issues or overflow. Step 5. Change coffee ground. Try using coarser coffee grounds or a 1-paper cone filter to prevent sediment in your cup. Step 6. Change coffee brand. Finally, if you're still facing issues, consider changing the brand of your coffee packs. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to resolve the dual overload issue and enjoy a smooth brewing experience. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Hamilton Beach users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.